Hi student, this is an important video for the latest announcement by IFOA related to April 2025 exams. So most important announcement is that exams will no longer be open book. It will be closed book exam, but that does not mean that you have to go to the center to give exam. Exams are not turning offline. Exams will be conducted in virtual mode only. You will be redirected to this software, but it is closed book. That means you cannot access any notes, any document, any web as well. So you're not supposed to do any Google because the software will automatically close if you try to open any notes or any other document. So it will be closed book, but it is virtual, and most important thing is closed web because you cannot access any Google document. And an important another update for April 2025 students is that there are no separate time cohorts for the same exam. Exam will commence at the same time for all students of that particular subject. So this move by IFOA is basically to strengthen the security and integrity of their exams, because there were many students who got caught in September 2024, April 2024 exams as a result of dishonest activities by students. So this is a great move. In actual, it will help to strengthen the security of exams. So do make sure that you are studying as per the updated pattern only. Now, as a result of this important update, we can expect a lot of bookwork now in your questions, because now since you're not allowed to use any book or any notes, there can definitely be open book. So now the pattern for II and IFOA is almost same. This is the same pattern that II uses in order to conduct their exams. So now IFOA is also following the same pattern. So do make sure that you're studying as per the updated pattern. But earlier we used to say that you cannot expect bookwork in exam, because again the same book will not get tested in exams. But this gives a move by IFOA that bookwork will be there in your exams. More changes, more updates will be coming in coming months, and we will be coming up with more videos related to the changes that will happen. But as of now, this is the latest move by IFOA. This move was earlier also when IFOA said that they will be coming with OBA based assessment for CB1 and CB2, but it was not successful. So OBA based assessment was not there. So as of now, this is the latest announcement. So do make sure that you're studying as per the latest announcement only. Don't refer any notes while you are studying, and try to learn things now, because there will not be any notes that you can refer to. So try to learn things, try to do questions which are based on derivations now. What else would be expected, that would be more clear once IFOA releases maybe more mocks related, or once IFOA releases more details related to this pattern. But since there will be remote invigilation, closed book, closed web, so you cannot access any document, your camera will be on because there will be online proctoring. So great move by IFOA. So I hope now all your doubts related to IFOA April 2025 latest pattern has been clear. Still, in case you feel any doubts are there, feel free to connect with us on the number mentioned. Thank you.